Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I am here to tell you today, don't forget what's in the closet. What do I mean? Well, you may have carpet in your house and you may have problems with that carpet. Maybe there's a stain somewhere. Maybe there's an area that the dog chewed or the cat clawed. Well, sometimes, not always, but sometimes we're successful taking carpet out of a closet and using it to make a nearly invisible repair to the stained or frayed carpet. Now, it doesn't always work out perfectly. Sometimes the closet carpet looks like it's in a little bit better condition than the carpet that's been stained or ruined, but we have had some success, and I had one client where we saved them several $1,000s that they would have spent replacing the room just by taking carpet out of the closet. So I'm here to remind you, don't forget what's in the closet. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.